Hey everyone, welcome back to PowerPro Academy, your go-to place to master Python programming from scratch. In today's video, we are diving deep into one of the most powerful data types in Python, which is strings. So, what are strings? A string in Python is simply a sequence of characters enclosed within single quotes or the double quotes. Strings are used to store text like names, sentences, or any sequence of characters. So let's look at a few examples. So we are now in the VS Code and we will create some of the strings. So the first one is I am declaring a variable name and I am assigning a string there which is Satyam and it is in the double quotes. Now let's see the single quote one. So I am declaring a variable here, message, and I am assigning the string value in the single quotes, which is hello world. So this is how you can create strings and store it in the variables. Now let's look out some of the string operations. So let's explore some common string operation. The first one is string concatenation. So the string concatenation concatenates the strings, or we can say it can add the multiple strings. So let's create one. So I am creating a variable which is greeting, and inside that variable I am assigning a string hello. I am writing plus operator here. Now I'm giving it a blank and then plus operator and then world. And when I print greeting, it gives me hello world. The second one is string repetition. So it generally repeat that string as per your countings. So I am creating a variable here which is laugh and I am assigning a string there which is her multiply 3. So it will repeat the string 3 times. When I print it, it gives me ha ha ha. So funny, huh? The third one is string indexing. So string indexing is something which gives us the particular element of the string by calling it with the index. So here I am writing a variable word and inside it I am giving it the value Python. Now when I want to get the first element of the string, I am writing print the variable name square brackets and the index of that element. So in Python, the 0 index is for p. So to get the p, I have to write here 0. Now when I print it, it gives me p as we know. Now if I get the n, I have to write the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have to write 5 here. Or instead of 5, I can write here -1. So if I write here -1, our string indexing is reversed and I will get n. The last and the fourth one is string slicing. String slicing is generally where we are slicing one of the watermelon in the sun. So if I have to slice one of the word here, let's take an example. So I have to slice the Python by the t. So in the square bracket, first of all, I have to write the start index of that word which is 0 because I want to get the p by t from Python. So the start index will be 0 colon the last index will be 3 because I have to get the value till the t. So 3 is the indexing for h, but I don't want it. So I am writing the indexing 0 colon 3 and if I run it, it gives me the output which I wanted, p by t. Now if I want the thon substring, then what can I do? So because my starting point is t, it has the indexing 2 and I want it till the end. So I don't want to write the last indexing of the string. So if I write print word square bracket 2 colon and that's it. When I run it, it gives me thon. So these are some of the basic string operations which we used in the Python. Now the next one is string methods or the function. So Python provides powerful built-in methods to manipulate string easily. Let's look out some examples here. So I have a variable text, and here I have a variable. The name of the variable is text, and I am assigning a value here, which is space Python space programming space. Now if I want all the element in the upper cases, what will I do? So there is a function or the method which is called upper method. Now if I want to get the uppercase each element, what would I do is print text dot upper, and it will give me the Python programming in uppercase. The next one is lower method. So like upper, it gives me the value in lowercase. So print text dot lower gives me the values or the element of the string in lowercase. Now the next one is strip. So as you can see, there are spaces in the starting and ending of the string. So if I have to remove them, I have to write print text dot strip, and it will remove the spaces from the string. Now the next one is replace. So if I want to replace a particular text from the string, I can do it. We can write print text dot replace the text which we want to replace, a comma, the text which we want to add. So here I'm writing Python comma Java. So it will replace Java and put the Python. It will replace Python and put the Java in it. My mistake. And if I run it, it gives me Java programming. Now the last one is very important, and the small one, len function, which is generally calls the length of the string. So how we can use it? So we have to write print len function, and inside that the variable name, and it gives us the length of the string. Now there is a term called string formatting. There are three popular ways to format strings in Python. The first one using plus operator. So let's see an example of that. I have a variable name, and inside that I am assigning the value Satyam. Now when I want to add something else into it, I will write print hello plus variable name, which is name. So when I print it, I will get hello Satyam. The next one is using format method. So let's see how it will used. I have a variable age, and in this I am assigning a value 25. Now I am printing string. I am brackets, which is curly bracket, years old dot format, and inside that format I am giving it the variable which is age. So when I print it, it gives me I am 25-year-old. This is magic. I mean, it's great. So what happened here? So here we gives a box. So here we give a box to the string, which is the curly braces. And when we used format function here, it automatically puts which is inside it into that curly braces. That why we get I am 25-year-old. The last one is using f-string. The notable advice is that the f-string function will only work from the version of Python which is 3.6 above. So here is an example. I have a variable language, and inside that variable I am assigning Python. Now when I print f colon, I am learning curly braces, and inside that curly braces I have to put the variable name, and when I print it, it gives me I am learning Python. So what is done by the format function is also done by the f-strings. Now here is a common interview tip for you. So the string is immutable in Python, as we discussed the mutable and immutable in our sets and dictionary or the data types. So you can't change the string once it's created. Instead, you create a new string. So the conclusion is here. That's an in-depth look into a string in Python, from indexing and slicing to the method and formatting. Mastering a string is key to writing efficient code. Make sure to practice all these examples on your own and let me know in the comment what you did like to see next. Like the video, subscribe to PowerPro Academy, comment your favorite string method, share this with a beginner who needs it. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, believe in your country, enhance your skill. Happy coding. Jai Hind.